Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, I thought I would keep it really simple and do an unboxing because I love watching like hauls and stuff. I think that's so fun. So, I'm gonna start off. I had two packages from ASOS. I don't know where the other one went. Oh, I think it's back here. Okay, so I'll start with the first one. I ended up getting a lot of stuff-ish because I haven't shot any fashion like looks on my Instagram in such a long time, and I'm just going through like a phase where I want my Instagram to be less professional and more like relatable and casual. So I've been doing a lot of like posts from my home, from my car, and just like on the go, and it's just been so much easier and so much funner. I'm actually enjoying it. For like a period of time, I think it's been like 2 months, I just feel like Instagram is just so staged now. I'm not saying like everyone is faking it, but I felt like that for myself, so I was just trying to make it. So I was trying to give myself a little break and try something else, but definitely I'm going to get back into photo shoots here and there. I just want to incorporate more lifestyle photos. Okay, anyways. So, the first thing I got, so I definitely went shopping for winter stuff, and I might have to stand up to show you guys the stuff. So, the first thing I got is this sweater dress. And it's just super long and midi, and I thought this would be so cute paired with booties and trench coat, or like a short vest, or like even like a small puffy teddy coat. That would be so cute. So this is actually really cute. I like the quality. It's like this jersey fabric, and it's super like lightweight. This is cute. I can wear this tonight maybe if we're not wearing pajamas. And then the second thing I got, I kind of forgot what I bought. That's kind of like the fun part about shopping online. It's like you shop twice because you order it and then you forget, and then like your package comes in. Okay. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is another sweater dress. This is like the worst haul ever. Sorry guys. So this one has like this tie knot thing. I'll insert a picture of what this items are supposed to look like on, so you guys have an idea. But you just tie it there. How cute is that? I thought this would look really cute with some cropped white jeans or cropped blue jeans with some booties. And then, oh my gosh, I feel like I got everything the same color. Oh, this one I was actually looking forward to. So this is like a sweater slash satin dress. Isn't that so cute? I think this is super cute. I love how it has like this satiny fabric, then also has like the sweater material on the top. This is really cute. One last thing from ASOS. Oh, it's a midi skirt that I found. And I thought the color was just so beautiful on this. It's like this champagne goldy color. Oh, that's so pretty. Super, super pretty. And then I got some stuff from Modanisa. I already opened this yesterday, so I'm going to be honest. I didn't like majority of the stuff I got. So I got 3 things and I only liked 1 thing. So I do love Modanisa. I feel like they have really good stuff, but like the stuff that I chose is just not cute. So I got this like sweater dress that's supposed to be like pleated and has a pocket. I honestly don't even know why I got this because I went back to my order just to see what it looked like on the model, and it wasn't even cute. So if you guys think it's cute, I'll link it down below. And then I got another pleated skirt. If you guys follow me on Instagram again, then you saw my it's like a nude beige skirt that I wore a lot last year and this year, and it was such good find. It was like, this is only like $24 maybe, and it's fully lined and it's really long, so it's not midi, so you can't see your ankle, and I just think it's a good staple to have. And Modanisa has this in a bunch of colors, so I decided to pick it up in gray. So I have this skirt, and then again I have another sweater from Marshalls, and this was $29.99, and I thought this would look so cute paired with that. It's kind of loud, Normally this is not what I gravitate towards, but I'm trying to play more with prints and stuff, and I think this is going to look super, super cute paired together. So I got that. And then I got a pair of booties from Nordstrom, but I might not open this because I am actually going to return this because I ended up buying another pair which I like better. So I might not just open this and just take it back to the store. So I'll put a picture here on the screen. I've worn these booties all the time from like last year, and I just repurchased another one just because I like them so much. And literally I wore these booties to death. They're like scraped from the back. This leather is peeling off. Like, I've gotten so much wear out of them, so it's definitely worth every penny. If you guys are going to invest in anything this season, it's these booties, you guys. They're so good. The quality is amazing, and I actually got these last year from DSW, and DSW no longer carries it, but Nordstrom does, so yippee. And then the last thing I have is I can't unbox it, but basically it's a really pretty suitcase, and I'll have a picture of it on my feed really shortly. I'm going on a really exciting trip, so they sent me this suitcase and I'm so excited about it. It's so cute. So that's all I have for the haul now. My little sister is rushing me because she wants me to do her makeup, so I will catch you guys once I'm done. Now I am trying on all my outfits to plan what I'm going to wear for my shoot today. So this is option number 1, the sweater I got from Marshall's like I showed you guys, and I paired it with the Modanisa skirt, and I think it looks really good. Definitely check out these skirts, guys, because it's fully lined and they're just perfect. They're great for like formal wear, for casual wear the way I have it, or like for events and stuff. So, and they're also really inexpensive. They're like $25, $30. I paired it with this leather coat from Mango. I still have the tags on because I'm just trying this on. It's actually my little sister's, but I think I really like the way this look turned out. It's definitely way more edgier than I would like my outfits, but I'm actually getting really used to wearing black, and I like the way it looks, especially for this season. So this is option number 1. Okay, so I pulled in the long mirror into my room just so you guys can see more of the outfits, and so you guys see less of the mess. I literally just shoved everything on this side of my bed, and it's so bad. I need to clean my room. Okay, so carrying on, this is another outfit. I thought it turned out super cute. So I paired this long sweater dress that has like a slit on the side. Oh, I thought it did. Oh, maybe it only has a one side. Okay. I paired it with a skirt that I got from ASOS. That's a different like fabric, so that's more satiny and it has like a shine to it, and this one is more casual, and I love the play on fabrics and textures. I think it looks super cute. Then I just have my Valentino stud bag, and then a matching hijab. I think this is sand or khaki from Hot Hijab, so I'll link everything down below. I think this outfit turned out super cute, and I'm really excited to take pictures in this one. Here is another outfit. This sweater dress is again from ASOS, and it's actually really comfortable. It's like a kind of athleisure mixed with girly vibe, which I think is so cute. I love the way it has like this bow. I love the cut of this. It's like a little dress, and I think it makes it look dressier, even though the material is kind of more casual. So this is like a really fun different style dress. I paired it with white skinny jeans and some knee-high boots from this Chinese website. It's called Goodnight Macaroon, and I got this 3 years ago, and they still wear so well. They don't get loose from the top, and like I said, I got this 3 years ago, and I also got a black version 2 years ago, and I got them for like $150 each, and they wear so well. And I actually found really good dupes for these boots on Amazon and Forever 21, so I'll link them down below, and they're only $50 on Amazon and Forever 21. I just think this turned out super cute. It's a really cute girly outfit. I know knee-high boots is not for everyone, so if you don't like this outfit, definitely pass it up. I think it looks super cute, and then I just paired it with my Valentino crossbody style, so outfit number 4 maybe? I don't even know. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have 2 more vlogs already ready to go. Hopefully that will happen this week and then the following week, and then I have some other content planned that will be super exciting, so look out for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Oh, and everything is linked down below like I mentioned. Bye!